Troubleshooting. If the amperage goes higher than 2.5 or 2.6, then the alarm will sound to indicate that amperage is too high. The machine may also reset and stop the session. To solve this problem, stop the session or turn off the machine and start over again from where you first fill up the tub basin. If the machine continues to beep and you have not added any salt, try using a different array and/or different water. Well water, very hard water, or water from a water softener will sometimes cause the alarm to sound. No power or other power problems. Make sure that the power cord is plugged snugly into the back of the unit, as shown here. If your machine shuts off when the cord is moved, try another power cord from a desktop computer. If that one works fine, you may be under warranty for a new replacement cord. Check that your machine is set to the correct voltage for your country. 110 or 115 is the correct voltage for the US, Canada, and Mexico. Check and/or replace the fuse. The fuse box is located at the rear of the unit. Remove the fuse as shown here. If you notice that the fuse has turned black or brown and/or the wire inside is broken, replace the fuse as shown here. Plug the machine power cord into a known good wall outlet. Amperage displays 0.0 and does not change. Test another array to see if you can duplicate the problem. If this fixes the problem, then the array that was displaying 0 amps is at the end of its life and needs to be replaced. Replacement arrays are available for purchase at HEALTHandMED.com. Make sure that you have added at least 1/8 teaspoon of salt to the water. Make sure the wrist strap is fully connected. If the connector is not snug, try using a small screwdriver or razor blade to adjust outwards the metal strips of the wrist strap plug to make the plug wider for better connection to the unit, as shown here. Make sure there is no jewelry near the wrist strap. Make sure the wrist strap is adjusted fairly tight around the wrist. For dual units, check the other wrist strap to see if this fixes the problem. Verify that gel is on the wrist and that your feet are in the water. Verify that the array is fully plugged in and not showing any of the metal tip. Change the water in the foot bath and add no salt to it. Then turn the unit on and off again. Machine amperage is fluctuating up and down. Sometimes faulty arrays will cause the machine amperage to jump around from a low amperage like 0.4 to a higher amperage 1.5 and back and forth again. Try a new array to see if this remedies the problem. If the amperage is only fluctuating within plus 0.2 or minus 0.2 of an amp, then this is perfectly normal fluctuation. Color change is not as expected. Try raising the amperage to about 1.8 or 1.9 on the unit by adding more salt to the water. Changing the mode may also affect the color of the foot bath. Note, color may change because of water quality, oils in the skin, impurities left in the tub, and array quality. It's best to focus on how you feel during or after the session. Infrared belt not heating. Power the unit down, then make sure that your belt is fully plugged in. Also try setting the belt to its highest setting. Electrical stimulation not working. Power the unit down, then make sure that the cable is fully plugged in, both at the back of the unit and into the patches. Try putting the patches closer together. Add a small layer of conductive gel to the skin on the area that you want to treat.